Hey everybody, so I did a video not just before this one of the Ford Fiesta, which I'm doing for the small scale group build hosted by Sean, but I am also doing, not at the same time but kind of at the same time, the mini Countryman WRC rally car. So I'm going to show you just a little bit of it. This is thrown together on it, but they're not bad kits, but they're not great kits. So one thing I do not like about them is how rough the body is. You really got to sand the hell smooth them out. The instructions always seem to have a lot of mistakes in them, but they have a lot of good detail as well. Like, they're more detailed than other 1/32 scale kits I've messed with. They have a nice roll cage, and they got it where the harnesses will mount right to the roll cage, so they got nice detail in that aspect. I'll paint this piece body color, so it will be white or red. It might be white, and I might paint these white because that one was probably a white car with red decals on it. Here is the always fun to paint wheels. Always got to sand the hell out of them. They got one that sits in the back, and then the lack of detail brakes. You can't ever see them. You can't see them in that. It's almost like, why even have them? But they're there. Then your suspension. And you can see they need a lot of cleanup on those skids. A lot of burrs. The racing seats. The harnesses. I don't know what that is. On the dash. One half of the wing in the back. They got a nice big wing in there. The grill insert, which makes it really easy to detail paint. This one has some nice door cards. They fit in there pretty nicely. Give it a nice detail. The Ford Fiesta does not have those, but too bad. You know, it would have been nice. The other half of the wing. The hood insert, so these would be black vents. Makes it a lot easier to paint. Nice detail. And all the other stuff that I haven't separated yet. So mirrors, steering wheel, suspension. Well, the screens for inside the cockpit. I don't know what those are for. I have to look. Get your wipers, antennas, shifter or handbrake. I think this one's handbrake, so that one's probably shifter. Fire extinguisher, and then these are other parts of the seat belts. There's the wheel backs, and then the hood vent. And I think that's it for this kit. So, like I said in the other video, I'll probably do like an imaginary two scenes in one. The bottom scene will probably have the Ford Focus down below doing his thing on that track, and then this one be somewhere like that. So it's like not too sturdy. So it's like this is a scene, and then this is a scene. So do something like that. So I gotta get some foam. Cut some foam up. I got all the rest of the stuff. Get a base. Get that started, carving it. That way I can get the idea of more in a physical form. And go from there. I think it'll be a nice little display. All the other 1/32 scale cars I do are usually in a diorama display. I had the Aston Martin and the Jaguar display where they're on a track. Let me grab that real quick. They're covered with dust so bad. So, did something like that. This time I'll do something smaller, but for the rally cars. So, when they're in a 1/32 scale, they're a lot funner to get in a diorama. But yeah, they need dusted. I don't have them in my display cabinet. So I guess after this, I'll be dusting them. Alright, talk to you guys later. Bye.